Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to create a professional Contact Us page in WordPress, step by step and fully updated for 2025. Whether you're setting up your first website or giving your old one a refresh, this guide will help you get it done in just a few minutes. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to wordpress.com. Once you're on the homepage, head to the top right corner and click Log In. You can sign in using your email and password or simply use Continue with Google. It's faster and more secure. After logging in, you'll land on your WordPress dashboard. From here, look at the left-hand menu and click on Pages. This is where you manage all the pages on your website. If you already have a Contact Us page, you can simply click on it to edit. But if you're starting fresh, click Add New Page. Now, you'll see a blank page editor. This is where the magic happens. Start by giving your page a clear title. Contact Us, simple and professional. Next, it's time to add your contact information. You can include your business email, phone number, address, or even embed a Google map if you have a physical location. Most importantly, add a contact form so visitors can reach out directly from your site. WordPress makes this super easy. Just click the plus block icon, search for contact form, and insert it. Many themes and plugins like WP Forms or Contact Forms 7 come with beautiful pre-designed templates, so you can customize the form fields to match your needs. Once you've added your form and contact details, feel free to style your page. Add some welcoming text, a short message like, "We'd love to hear from you," or even a header image to make it look inviting and on-brand. When you're happy with the layout, it's time to make it live. Go to the top right corner of the screen and click Publish. Just like that, your new Contact Us page is ready and visible to your visitors. And that's it. In just a few minutes, you've built a professional, fully functional contact page that helps your audience get in touch easily. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more WordPress tips, and drop a comment if you have any questions or want me to cover a specific topic next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.